Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have completed chapter 7, factorization. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, chapter 12, understanding quadrilaterals. Let's move on to the topic. Let's begin with polygon. Polygon, a simple closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments is called a polygon. It is a simple closed plane figure. Closed means they start and end at the same point. For example, triangle. They start and end at the same point. Okay, then square, start and end at the same point. Rectangle, these are the examples of polygons. It is formed by three or more line segments. Note, circle is not a polygon because it is a curved shape. It is not made up of line segments. Types of polygons. A polygon is named according to the number of sides it has. The first one is triangle. It is a three-sided closed figure. The next one, quadrilateral. It is a four-sided closed figure. The next one, pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a five-sided closed figure. The next one, hexagon. It is a six-sided closed figure. The next one, heptagon. It is a seven-sided closed figure. Then octagon, it is an eight-sided closed figure. Then nonagon, it is a nine-sided closed figure. Then decagon, it is a 10-sided closed figure. The last one, dodecagon, it is a 12-sided closed figure. Types of polygons. If the number of sides are 3, then it is called triangle. The number of sides are 4, it is called quadrilateral. The number of sides are 5, it is called pentagon. The number of sides are 6, it is called hexagon. The number of sides 7, it is called heptagon. The number of sides are 8, it is called octagon. The number of sides are 9, it is called nonagon. The number of sides are 10, it is called decagon. The number of sides are 12, it is called dodecagon. Regular polygon. If the sides and angles of a polygon are equal, then it is called regular polygon. In a polygon, the sides and angles are equal. Then the polygon is known as regular polygon. For example, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, etc. Regular pentagon means it's a five-sided closed figure. Okay, so five sides and five angles are equal. Next, we shall discuss diagonals of a polygon. For a polygon with n sides, we can calculate diagonals of a polygon is half into n minus 3. n into n minus 3 divided by 2 is the number of diagonals of a polygon. Next, we shall discuss the interior angles and exterior angles of a given quadrilateral. Here, these are the interior angles. These are the interior angles. These are exterior angles. These are interior angles and these are exterior angles. The sum of the interior angles of a incident polygon is n minus 2 into 180. The sum of the interior angles of a incident polygon is n minus 2 into 180. The next point, the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Next, we shall discuss exercise problems. First problem from exercise 12.1. Find the unknown angle x. Option A. Here is given. Angle sum of a polygon. Angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Adding all the angles, 130 plus angle x plus 65 degree plus 61 is equal to, here n means number of sides. How many sides are there? 4 sides. Okay, is equal to 4 minus 2 into 180. Adding all the angles is equal to, here the sides are n, so 4 minus 2 into 180. Adding 130, 65 and 61. 130, 65 and 61. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Balance 1, 2. So 256 degree plus angle x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. 2 into 180. Then 256 degree plus angle x is equal to 2 into 180. Double of 180, 360. And angle x is equal to 360 minus 256. 360 minus 256. Here 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we take 1. So 10, here 5. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So angle x is equal to 104 degree. Next, option C. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7-sided closed figure. Okay, it's a heptagon. So angles are given. We have to find the unknown angle. We have to find x. Okay. So angle sum of a polygon. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, here add 96 degree plus 140 degree plus 162 degree plus 120 degree plus 130 degree plus angle x plus 115 is equal to, here the sides 7. So 7 minus 2 into 180. Adding all the angles, 96, 140, 162, 120, 130 and 115. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 22, 25, 26. Balance 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 763. 763 degree plus angle x is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. 5 into 180. So 763 degree plus x is equal to 180 into 5. 0 into 5 is 0. 5 into 8 is 40. Balance 4. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 900. So x is equal to 900 minus 763. 900 minus 763. Here 0 minus 3 is not possible. Okay. So we take 10. Here 10. Here 9. Here 1 less 8. So 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. So angle x is equal to 137 degree. The unknown angle x is equal to 137 degree. Next, option D, you have to find the unknown angle x. You know, the angle sum of polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So add all the angles. 50 degree plus angle x plus 100 degree plus angle x is equal to, get the number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180. 50 plus 100, 150 plus angle x plus angle x, 2 into angle x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 into 180. 150 plus 2 into angle x is equal to 2 into 180, 360 degree. So 2 into angle x is equal to 360 minus 150 is equal to 360 minus 150, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into angle x is equal to 210. Then angle x is equal to 210. Here 2 into x. So divided by 2. 210 divided by 2. 210 divided by 2. 1, 2 is 2. Next number 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So we put 0. Again next one 0. 2 5s are 10. So is equal to 105 degree. Angle x is equal to 105 degree. Next, question number 2. Find the sum of the interior angles of the following polygons. Option A, hexagon. How many sides are there in the hexagon? 6 sides. Okay, so n is equal to 6. You have to find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is 6. So 6 minus 2 into 180. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 into 180. 4 into 180, 720. The next one, octagon. How many sides are there in octagon? 8 sides. So n is equal to 8. You know the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, n minus 2 into 180. So sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to, here 8. So 8 minus 2 into 180. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 into 180. So 180 into 6, 0 into 6 is 0. 6 8s are 48, balance 4. 166, 6 plus 4, 10. 1080 degree. Next, option C, dodecagon. The number of sides of a dodecagon is 12. So n is equal to 12. So sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2. Here n is 12. So 12 minus 2 into 180. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 into 180. 10 into 180. First multiply the numbers. 18 into 1, 18. Then put 2 0. 1800. Next, question number 3. Find the unknown angle x in each of the following figures. First, option A. Here, the exterior angles are given. X 112, 101 degree. Here, we study the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So adding 101 plus 112 plus angle x is equal to 360 degree. Adding 101 and 112. 312. 213 degree plus angle x is equal to 360 degree. Angle x is equal to 360 minus 213. 360 minus 213. Here 10 minus 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we take 1, 10, here 5. 10 minus 3, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. So angle x is equal to 147 degree. Next, option C. Here the exterior angles are x 60 degree, 77 degree, 75 degree, and this one. Here one exterior angle is not given. First we have to find this exterior angle. Let's mark this A. So A plus 131 is equal to 180 degree. It's linear pair. Angle A plus 131 is equal to 180 degree linear pair. So A is equal to 180 minus 131. 180 minus 131. Here 0 minus 1 is not possible. So 10. Here 1 less 7. 10 minus 1 9. 7 minus 3 4 is equal to 49 degree. So angle A is 49 degree. And we know the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Adding all the exterior angles, the first angle 75 plus here 49 plus angle X plus angle 60 degree plus 77 is equal to 360 degree. Adding all the exterior angles, 75 plus 49, 75 plus 49 plus 60 plus 77. Adding 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. Balance 2. 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. So 261 degree plus angle X is equal to 360 degree. So angle X is equal to 360 degree minus 261 degree. 360 minus 261. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So here 10, here 5. 10 minus 1, 9. So again 5. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we take 1. Here 15, here 2. 15 minus 6, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. So angle X is equal to 99 degree. Next, option D, we have to find the unknown angle X. Here the exterior angles are marked X, 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 67, 50 and 75. You know the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Adding all the exterior angles, angle X plus angle X plus angle X plus 67 plus 50 plus 75 is equal to 360 degree. X plus X plus X, 3X. 3 into angle X plus adding 67, 50 and 75. 7 plus 5, 12. Balance 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 192 degree is equal to 360 degree. So 3 into angle X is equal to 360 minus 192 degree. 360 minus 192 degree. Here 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we take 1, here 10, here 1 less 5. 10 minus 2, 8. Again 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we take 1. So 15, here 1 less 2. So 15 minus 9, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So 3 into angle X is equal to 168 degree. So angle X is equal to here 3 into. So 168 divided by 3. 168 divided by 3. How many 3s are in 16? 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. The result is 8. 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 56 degree. Today we have discussed about the interior and exterior angles of a polygon and solved problems related to the properties of interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.